Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Uche. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create Australian resume for that dream job that you're applying for, whether you're in or outside Australia. This template I'm going to use will help you secure that dream job. I have done a tutorial videos before on how you can create your resume, but a lot of people said they didn't see the template that I used. That's why I'm recreating another one for you guys, okay? So if this is the kind of content you want to watch, kindly watch till the end and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you find the video useful. Welcome back again to my channel. Before we start creating our own resume, I would like you to know a few things about creating Australian resume. One is you don't need to put your age in your resume. You don't need your marital status. You don't need your religious status in your resume. You also don't need your passport photograph in your resume. One thing I will tell you is don't do your resume more than 2 pages. Make it simple and readable. Also cross-check your spellings while you're doing your resume, okay? Another thing I would like to also mention is that if you're creating Australian resume, each resume has to be for the occupation you are applying for. What I mean is, if you're going for a customer service job, you don't need to put in other experiences that does not have anything to do with customer service, except you're putting the soft skills that is transferable from your customer service job to this new job that you're applying for. So what I want to say is that make your resume unique for that particular job. If you're applying for 5 different jobs and they are not the same thing, make each resume for that particular job that you're applying for. Do not bundle everything together. So now that you have gotten the tips that I want to share with you, let us go ahead and create our own resume. The first part of your resume would be your personal profile. So your personal profile is your name. You can put in just your first name and your last name. You really don't need your middle name, except if your first name is longer than your middle name, then vice versa. But don't put long names in your name, so it will be easier for people to pronounce. For your email address, please use a professional email address while you're creating your resume. You can use Hotmail, Yahoo Mail, Gmail, and the likes, all right? So you need to also put your contact details in case if your employer wants to contact you. It doesn't matter if you're in Australia or outside Australia. You can also put your area code to make it easier for them to get to you. Also add your address where you live in your contact details. If you have a LinkedIn account, you can put that as well. Now that you have created the first part of your personal profile, the next one you're going to create is your summary. Some people call it careers objective, some people call it introduction. Whichever one you want to call it, it is fine. So in this careers objective is an opportunity for you to sell yourself to your potential employer. Just a little bit about yourself, the experience you have on the job that you are applying for, the skills you have that you're going to bring to the job. Just sell yourself, make yourself marketable. Once you have done that, the next one you're going to create would be your experience. Some people normally put their skills first before the experience. It doesn't matter. I'm using the template from seek.com.au. I said if you want to put your skills after your objective, it does not matter. Let us talk about your experience. The experience or the career history, whichever one you want to call it, you will start with the name of the organization where you are working, the job title, the overview of that job. You just talk about, okay, this is what you do on the job, just a little bit of that. You would also put the years you have been on that job. One thing I want to say is that if you have more than one company, or if you have worked in more than one company, please put the latest first before others. All right, so you need to put the month, the year that you have worked there. If you're still working there, you would put till date. If you have left the organization, you put when you left the organization. Then the next thing you would do is to put in your job functions, or you can call it your job role, whichever one. Please put them in bullet points. It makes your resume look very neat. Another tips I'm going to give you guys when it comes to your job description is to check out the job function of that particular job that you're applying for. Use the keywords from those job description, add them in your own job description. This will make you have a better chances when employer check your resume and they could find those keywords that they are looking for that job. Of course, they would look at your resume more. But if you just put in your job description and they are not matching what they are looking for, there is no way employer would call you for an interview. Next step we're going to create is your education. So you need to mention your education qualification. If you're still in school, it doesn't matter. You can also mention it and put it as in view. So for education, you need to put the name of the school where you studied, the year you graduated from the school, your qualification. Like I mentioned, if you're still in school, you can put in view on that part. If you have graduated, you need to also put the year that you completed that qualification. This is another opportunity for you to put training. If you have any trainings on that particular job that you're applying for, you can also mention where you got the training, the year you got that training, and what the training is all about. If you also have a certification for that particular job that you are applying for, you can also mention it under your education. Next one we're going to create is your skills. So like I mentioned before, you can put your skills after your summary or you can put it here. It doesn't matter. So for skills, you mention the soft skills that you have, communication skill, time management, and others. So you need to put them in bullet points as well. The final part that you're going to write is your reference. Some people can leave it as upon request. If you want to do that, it is fine. In Australia, they will always ask you 2 professional references, people that knows you professionally, that can vouch about your professional work. So you need to put down 2 names from your organization. It doesn't matter who they are, colleague, manager, team leader, it's fine. You need to put their name, their email address, and their phone number for them to contact them. Another thing I would like to mention before I end this video is that you can actually use template from your Microsoft Word. There is a lot of templates there to create your own. I'm also going to leave some samples of Australian resume templates in my description box so you guys can check it out. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, you know what to do, guys. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to the channel if you find my videos useful. Thank you for watching my video and I will see you guys in my next video.